Fresh evidence surfaced of how Nnamdi Kanu was mishandled in Kenya. Court calls for a refresh hearing. Good day, everyone in the house. I greet you all in the name of the Lord. It's a pleasure still meeting you in this very platform. We thank you for your patience. You will agree with me when I say that the more the IPOP leader still stays in detention, the more more facts begin to crop up. Yeah, that is it, and that is what will keep happening. It is President Mubari that actually asked for it, and that is what is happening. You understand? Nnamdi Kanu already has been declared free by the Court of Appeal, but Mr. President is still playing a headstrong. Imagine, see what has just been reviewed right now. You see, someone said something that everything Nnamdi Kanu undergoes in Kenya has not been revealed. That if they are reviewed, I swear, Nigeria will be very, very close to division. And that is what I am seeing that is right now, that is happening right now. Okay, now look at this one that has just been reviewed, that has placed Mr. President on a very serious hot seat. You will not believe it. You will not believe it by the time we actually unleash it and make it open for the world to see. Wahala don dey. Let's quickly check the content, my dear listeners. This is Evening News. The President Muhammad Buhari-led federal government has been criticized for mishandling the case of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB. Following the Court of Appeal judgment discharging and acquitting Kanu, the special counsel to the IPOB leader Aloy Ejimako accused the federal government of mishandling the case of the Biafran leader. Also giving a fact, fresh evidence also cropped up of how the IPOB leader was also treated while he was in Kenya. Ejimako pointed out the number of times the Nigerian government mishandled Kanu's case since 2018 till date. A statement by Ejimako read partly, Nigerian disobedience of a 2018 decision of a continental tribunal on Kanu was the first mishandling. The extraordinary rendition was the second, while putting Kanu on trial was the third. Disobeying the United Nations was the fourth, and the likelihood of disobeying the judgment of the Court of Appeal would be the fifth. Recall that the Court of Appeal in Abuja had cleared the IPOB leader of all the charges against him and consequently discharged him. But the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, said Kanu was only discharged, not acquitted. Malami disclosed that more charges may be brought against Kanu, thus raising doubt concerning the government's readiness to release Kanu. Meanwhile, Ejimako had urged influential Nigerians and the international community to persuade Buhari's government to release Kanu. Alright, my people in the house, you can now see what we are talking about, and you can now see what we have been revealing. You understand? Imagine President Buhari has already done his own thing and doesn't want the people to have their own thing. Imagine you are the one that said that you are not going to interfere on the matter that the court can go ahead and do whatever they want to do. Now look at what you are saying. Now the court has looked at the hearing and all that they have put together, and they have seen that the IPOB leader is as good as going. So why is Mr. President now trying to play to play game? You understand? Yes, it's more or less like a game. It's more or less like a game, because now this IPOB trial is now Kanu's trial is no longer like it's no longer like the terrorism charges that they are talking about. It's now a trial that has now been taken personal. It's not a personal thing. Because the anger President Mubarak is putting up right now is an anger that a personal person or individual person will always want to put up for the other person. You understand? Well, that is for Mr. President anyway. I really want to appreciate the action of the UN and also the action of the court, because I know that the court on their own are no longer smiling, and also they are no longer underestimated. You understand? So the IPOP leader Nnamdi Kanu already is ahead of the federal government in terms of judgment. All right, my people, let's hear you and let's know what you think and what your opinion on this very matter may be. Don't forget to leave them below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.